So I just want to narrate how I designed this crown. If you look at the photos, you'll see that there's a tremendous difference from no hair back here to a lot of hair. If you see, there's still some see-through, and we're going to come back actually another session and further tighten it. But this is a total covered scalp, very natural in appearance. The reason for this, I want to talk about a design that I've talked about in prior, in my lectures, which is, if you look at this, the way he parts his hair going this way, I follow the part. It creates visual density to the part, also doesn't compete against the sweep of the hair. But also when they're totally bald back here, I have an opportunity to design the whorl the way I want. So I place the whorl very high because you see the whorl falls down over the crown. So by falling down over the crown, it creates better visual density. I put a higher degree of percentage of fullness here so that it can arc. And so that cascade effect is the fact that that graft can travel over a much larger distance. We're going to come back a second time for him in the spring of next year to actually tighten up this area, which is going to further help the density across the part as well as further help density into the crown.